Here's the talk tech within 1 month from 25th of February through to 25th of March. I've been able to make a profit of 34,000 Ghana cedis in my Sportybet account through betting. Okay, so how did I got this amount as profit? You know, I've been doing a lot of tutorials on this channel for you guys about how you can patch apps that gives correct scores so as to get the correct scores. Okay, so I decided to just do 1 month review on how I'm going to use one particular betting platform that has a winning percentage of 90 to 99% winning assured. So their correct score that they give, if you subscribe to their VIP package, you get exclusive packages that you can be visiting so as to earn some cool cash. Okay, so I decided to patch it and also be getting their correct scores and their multi correct scores and be staking on it for 1 month to see how it goes. And seriously, you can see what I've been earning so far within the 1 month, 34,000 Ghana cedis within 1 month through betting on their app for correct scores and their multi correct scores. Okay, so let me quickly go to my dashboard on my Sportybet account to show you my winnings and the amount that I used to stake this bet, and also give you the strategy that I used to make this amount within 1 solid month. Okay, this is cool. So you can see when I go to my dashboard on the Sportybet account and go to the transactions, you see from 25th of February through to 25th of March, my first win was 4,211 Ghana cedis. I also cashed out 3,754 Ghana cedis. I also won 7,512 cedis. I won 1,005 on Sprite, that is the Aviator, as you can see here. I also won 6,400 on Aviator. I won 9,049 Ghana cedis on sports winnings. I won 11,000 on Aviator. I also won 5,400. I won 2,000 on Aviator. Also won 4,900 on the sports bet from 25th of February through to 25th of March, and this is what I've gained so far, and this is profit. Okay, and you can see when I go to the transaction history again and go to the bet section of which to see the amount that I used to stake this bet, you see that on 25th, that was just yesterday, I was given free Sporty loyalty. Okay, and on that same 25th, I bet 200 Ghana cedis. On 23rd, I staked 500 cedis. I staked 200 cedis on that same 23rd. Okay, I also staked 1,000 Ghana cedis on 21st. Okay, so you can see these are some of the amount that I've used to stake on my account on Sportybet. Okay, so this is really cool. So when I just do the balance and all those stuff, you can see I've made a profit of 34,000 Ghana cedis, as you can see on my account here. Okay, so one thing I really want you to know is that those tutorials that I've made so far on this channel, you can revisit them and also use this strategy that I based on to just make some huge earnings from this. Okay, and the one strategy that I use is that you can see the app that gives us the multi correct score and the correct scores, though it is predictions from the site but not all that fixed, but they have 90 to 99% winning assured, of which you can based on to make something from it. Okay, the strategy that I use is that, like, if I patch it and go use it, to be like within a day they will give like 10 correct scores, different correct scores. They have 2 correct scores that they give, and the remaining 8 is multi correct score, that is they can predict 1-0, 2-0, and 3-0 in favor of one team. Okay, so what I personally do is that if they predicted, for instance, El Ali and Zamalek, they are playing and they predicted 1-1 in the full match, I'll stake 1-1 and the odd will be around 5 odds, then I'll stake 200 cedis on that. And the next match they predict Mamelodi Sundowns playing Golden Arrows and they go for 2-0, 3-0 in favor of Mamelodi Sundowns, I'll go for the multi correct score, which will be around 3 odds, then I stake another 200 Ghana cedis on that. So I will stake singles on each of the 10 correct scores and the multi correct score that they will predict on their app, and after that I just do my analysis and pick 2 of the multi correct scores and stake them as combined. Okay, so what this means is that if I stake the 10 forex code that they've just given it on their app and I win at least 3 of them, I'll make a profit from it. Okay, so assuming all these 10 matches I stake 200, 200, 200, I'll be staking with 2,000 Ghana cedis, and if I win, let's say 5 or 4 of them, I'll make profit from it. So assuming winning 6 or 7 or 8 from this, then I'll make myself something huge from it. Okay, and I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the credit score that I patch from the app, I stake it singles before I pick 1 or 2 and just combine them, then stake as multiple betting on that for the credit scores. Okay, and you can see what I've been winning so far on this my strategy. Okay, so what I'm going to do for you guys is that as the international break is over, coming this Friday onwards, I'll be patching these credit scores and be posting it on this channel. Okay, so if you get the credit scores, I beg, don't go and stake it combined, just take it singles before. If you can pick 1 or 2 that you can also do your analysis on to stake for the combine, you can just do that. That's what I've seen it is helping me. So if you can also, based on this strategy that I'm using, I guess it will also help you. So if I just try to post the games here, try your possible best if you can to do your selections and also stake the singles before combine. Okay, one thing I also want you to know is that this is predictions from the app, but they have 90 to 99% winning assured, of which you can based on to also generate some cool cash from it. So let's just draw ourselves and also challenge ourselves for 1 month, and based on this strategy that I'm using to also know how you can also earn something great from this platform following my strategy. Okay, so therefore this is the simple trick and strategy that I've been using to make this amount, which is 34,000 Ghana cedis, within 1 month, just basing on the credit scores from the apps that I've just patched. Okay, so here is the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning giving out us, you are going to get it. Like this video, and also do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.